out here off the coast of Rhode Island. 25 knots of breeze or so.
Yep.
These pretty big. Well, not that. 10 feet maybe. Some of them.
What is on?
Head down that way in a little bit.
Hard work. You can just hear it using your muscles. Hold on.
Yep. Don't jive us. You can help us.
Hang on.
Yep. Good. There's a big one. Well, the concern is, ooh, it's breaking right there. Wow. We head in, whether we're going to be getting into shallows that are going to be breaking waves. Turn around if that's the case. They're pretty steep right now, some of these waves.